12 delicious foods that burn belly fat and support weight loss. Boosting your metabolic rate can help you lose body fat. However, most fat-burning supplements on the market are either unsafe, ineffective, or both. Fortunately, several natural foods and beverages have been shown to increase your metabolism and promote fat loss. Here are 12 healthy foods that help you burn fat. 1. Fatty fish. Fatty fish contains omega-3 fatty acids that may promote fat loss. Fish is also rich in protein, which helps you feel full and boosts metabolic rate during digestion. 2. MCT oil. MCTs are rapidly absorbed for immediate use as an energy source. MCT oil may increase fat burning, decrease hunger and protect muscle mass during weight loss. 3. Coffee. Coffee contains caffeine, which has been shown to improve mental and physical performance, in addition to boosting metabolism. 4. Eggs. Eggs are a high-protein food that may help reduce hunger, increase fullness, boost fat burning and protect heart health. 5. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is rich in MCTs, which may increase your metabolism, reduce appetite, promote fat loss and reduce heart disease risk factors. 6. Green tea. Green tea contains caffeine and EGCG, both of which may boost metabolism, promote weight loss, protect heart health and reduce the risk of cancer. 7. Whey protein. Whey protein appears to increase muscle growth, reduce appetite, increase fullness and boost metabolism more effectively than other protein sources. 8. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar may help suppress appetite, promote loss of belly fat and reduce blood sugar and insulin levels. 9. Chili peppers. Compounds in cayenne pepper have been found to reduce inflammation, help control hunger and boost metabolic rate. 10. Oolong tea. Oolong tea contains caffeine and catechins, both of which have been found to increase metabolic rate and promote fat loss. 11. Full-fat Greek yogurt. Full-fat Greek yogurt may increase fat burning, reduce appetite, protect muscle mass during weight loss and improve gut health. 12. Olive oil. Olive oil appears to reduce the risk of heart disease, promote feelings of fullness and boost metabolic rate.